Welcome back to my channel, Learning Spanish with Words. Today I'm going to look at English words beginning with P and convert them to Spanish. If you've stayed with me this far, you've done very well. Thank you for joining and subscribing and watching these videos. I do appreciate it. Okay, get yourself a cup of tea and a nice comfy chair and perhaps a notepad, and here we go. Paint, pintar, pintar. Somebody who's a painter is a pintor, pintor. So to paint is pintar and a painter is pintor. Painted, pintado, pintado. Port, as in where ships dock, puerto, puerto. Pain, dolor, dolor. So if somebody says mi dolor de espalda, they have back pain. Patience, paciencia, paciencia. Pray, as in praying in a church. Rezar, rezar. A painting, cuadro, cuadro. As in the Mona Lisa, that's a painting, which is a cuadro, cuadro. Purse, cartera, cartera. A piece, as in a piece of something. Trozo, trozo. Password, contrasena, contrasena. Pen, pluma or bolígrafo, pluma or bolígrafo. Pencil, lápiz, lápiz. Presentation, presentación, presentación. Popcorn, palomitas, palomitas. Politics, politica, politica. Profitable, rentable, rentable. Puppy, el cachorro, el cachorro. Appear, a pier, as in going out into the end of the pier at the seaside. Muelle, muelle. Photographer, fotografo, fotografo. Picked, picked up. Recogieron, recogieron. Power, poder, poder. Parking lot, estacionamiento, estacionamiento, estacionamiento. And finally today, passed away, falleció, falleció. And that's the emotional form of the word felicio. Now you will notice before I go that many words in Spanish are so easy it's ridiculous. So English words ending in ion, T-I-O-N, just change the T to a C and you've got it. Like presentation, presentación, and also words like politics, politica, they're easily rememberable, they're easily to remember. Anyway, that's it for today. That's English words beginning with B converted to Spanish. Thank you for watching and listening. Before I go, can I remind you to subscribe and give us a tick, and if you want to make a comment, make sure it's a nice one. I'm sure it will be. It all helps the channel, as you know. Anyway, thanks a lot. See you again. Bye bye.